like the endless falls knot, this is another variation of it. Nicole here from Bochiknot Macrame, and welcome to another tutorial from our Bochiknot Macrame knot series. In this tutorial, we will be going over another version of the endless falls knot. This time, instead of just weaving the cord through with a half hitch knot, we're making a reverse double half hitch knot. And what's great about this pattern is that it's reversible. The front side looks like a knitted pattern, and on the back side, it resembles a ladder strap knot. By using a slightly different knot instead, we've created a new sennit pattern. And so if you've enjoyed the endless falls knot, then you'll likely enjoy this one as well. If you haven't already, check out our other tutorials from our knots and knot pattern series. There are definitely lots of new knots and knot patterns you can learn from that you can incorporate into your own macrame projects, so definitely check them out. And if you are in need of some beginner-friendly macrame resources like a free downloadable 50 knots and sennits ebook, we have that over on Bochiknot.com, so head on over there if you want more details. And with that said, let's get right into it. To demonstrate this pattern, I've used 2 strands of cord at 200 centimeters long each. I've attached one with a lark's head knot onto a dowel, and then I'm taking my second strand of cord and I'm weaving it through the lark's head knot before we tighten the lark's head knot. We will be using the cord ends from the strand of cord mounted onto the dowel with the lark's head knot more, because those cord ends are the working cords, and so you do need those middle cord ends. So the cord ends from the strand of cord mounted onto the dowel, we need them to be longer than the cords that we weaved through. To start the very first knot, what we're going to do is take the weaved cord ends, so those are the cord ends that are going to function as the anchor cords. So we're going to crisscross them at the back. Then with the right cord end, we're going to weave it through to the right side to make our first reverse double half hitch knot. Then we're going to pull it through underneath through the left side, and then through the loop on the right. Now to tighten here, you do have to shift the cords up, but we are going to shift them up once we have finished with the left side. So now, same thing, we're going to do the opposite thing, bring the cord on the left side through to the left, then bring it underneath and over to the right and through the loop to tighten. Now you can pull on the anchor cords and shift the working cords from the knots on both sides to tighten it up to the top. Now I'm going to show you again underneath what I have just done, but this time we're going to make it so you don't have to shift the working cords up. So now on the right side again, we're going to take it through to the right, and this time we're going to pull it up to the top. Now take the cord through the left, pull it through the loop to tighten. And now you have made another reverse double half hitch knot on the right side. Same thing on the left side, we're going to make a reverse double half hitch knot. We're going to start with the half hitch knot, pull it up to tighten, then bring it back through on the right side and through the loop. Now all you have to do is pull on the anchor cords on both sides, and there's no need to shift the working cords. Now repeat this knot pattern as many times as you'd like below. Once you've made several more, this is what the pattern should look like. On the front side, it should look like a knitted pattern similar to our endless false knot, but it is just a little bit wider. And then on the back, it sort of resembles the ladder strap knot. And that concludes our double endless false knot sennit pattern. I really hope you guys had fun with this variation of the endless false knot. If you are looking for a thicker or wider version of the endless false knot, this would be it. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And let me know in the comment section below what type of project you see yourself incorporating this knot pattern in. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.